Bird strike. Bird strike is an incident when the aircraft collides with birds. The majority of bird strikes cause little damage to an aircraft. Most of accidents happen when big birds hit the windscreen or are ingested into the engines. Flocks of birds during birds' migration are especially dangerous due to they cause multiple strikes and damage. This seriously affects aircraft performance and can even lead to engine failure and even a crash. To reduce bird strikes, airport authorities try to scare away the birds using frightening devices such as sounds, lights, pyrotechnics, radio-controlled aircraft, lasers, and many others.